Most entrepreneurs don't like writing business plans. In order to make this crucial exercise lighter, here is how to craft a high-quality business plan in less than 8 hours. First, write an initial draft of the executive summary. This step takes about 30 minutes. Second, answer to the main 10 questions of a business plan. These 10 questions are explained in the dedicated video in this chapter. This step takes about 1.5 hours. Comes then, collect data. The goal here is to collect high-quality data that will add credibility and value to your final deliverable. This step takes typically 2.5 hours. Then you have the step of structuring the report, which takes 30 minutes. The next step is to enhance the report quality. This step takes typically 1 hour. Comes then proofread and collect feedback, which takes about 15 minutes. Naturally, the step after is to correct and fine-tune the previous version. This step takes about 1 hour. And finally, your business plan is ready to be delivered. This step takes about 30 minutes.